Welcome everyone. Today we're going to Attingal, a town in Kerala, India. Attingal is like a hidden gem with a story full of history, culture and amazing people. Come with us as we explore Attingal and find out what makes it so special. Let's start with Attingal's history, a story that goes way back. Attingal used to be a powerful kingdom, a really important place. Imagine the busy life back then, the royal court, the king making decisions and everyone living in the palace. Attingal was a center of power, a very important town. The rulers controlled a large area, and Attingal was at the center of it all. Even though things have changed, the spirit of those times still lives on. Attingal shows us how history can still be important today. Now we're going to the Attingal Palace, a place steeped in history and grandeur. This palace is not just a building, it's a living testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. As we walk through its gates, we are transported back in time to an era where royalty reigned supreme and traditions were deeply rooted in every aspect of life. The Attingal Palace stands as a reminder of the town's royal past. It is a place where history comes alive, where every corner has a story to tell. The palace has witnessed countless events that have shaped the course of history in this region. Even though it's not as grand as it once was, the palace still holds an aura of majesty. The weathered walls and aged structures speak volumes about the passage of time and the resilience of the palace. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Inside, the palace tells stories of the kings and queens who lived there. The rooms are adorned with historical artifacts and portraits of the royal family, each piece offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once called this palace home. The grandeur of the interiors reflects the opulence of the bygone era. The palace walls, though old, whisper secrets of the past. They have stood the test of time, bearing witness to the many events that have unfolded within these walls. Each crack and crevice holds a story, a memory of a time long gone. The architecture of the palace is a fascinating blend of traditional Kerala style and newer designs. This mix showcases the evolution of architectural styles over the centuries. The intricate woodwork, the sloping roofs and the ornate carvings are a testament to the craftsmanship of the artisans of that era. Every arch, window and door has a story to tell. The arches are not just structural elements, they are gateways to the past. The windows, with their intricate designs, offer a peek into the world of the royals. The doors, heavy and ornate, have seen countless people pass through them, each leaving behind a trace of their presence. The courtyard is peaceful now, but imagine how busy it used to be. It was once the heart of the palace, bustling with activity. Courtiers, servants and visitors would have filled this space, each contributing to the vibrant life of the palace. Today it stands as a serene reminder of those lively days. The Attingal Palace is a symbol of the town's royal history. It stands as a proud testament to the legacy of the rulers who once governed this land. The palace is not just a historical monument, it is a symbol of the cultural and historical identity of Attingal. It reminds us of the rulers who shaped Attingal. Their vision, leadership and contributions have left an indelible mark on the town. The statues and portraits of these historical figures serve as a tribute to their enduring legacy, inspiring future generations to appreciate and preserve their heritage. Let's embark on a journey from the grandeur of the palace to a serene and sacred place, the Attingal Sri Krishna Swami Temple. Nestled in the heart of Attingal, this temple is not just a religious site but a sanctuary of peace and devotion. This ancient temple stands as a testament to the enduring strength of faith. It has been a beacon of spiritual solace for countless devotees over the centuries. The architecture itself tells a story of devotion, with every stone and carving reflecting the deep reverence of those who built it. As we approach the temple, the air is filled with the fragrant aroma of burning incense, a scent that instantly calms the mind. The rhythmic chanting of the priests creates a serene atmosphere, transporting us to a realm of spiritual tranquility. The temple's towering gopuram, adorned with intricate carvings of deities and mythical creatures, reaches towards the heavens. Each carving is a masterpiece, depicting scenes from ancient scriptures and legends, inviting us to delve deeper into the rich tapestry of mythology. Stepping inside, we are greeted by the soothing scent of sandalwood and the vibrant colors of flowers offered by devotees. These offerings symbolize the pure intentions and heartfelt prayers of those who come seeking blessings. At the heart of the temple lies the Sanctum Sanctorum, the most sacred space where the statue of Lord Krishna resides. This divine idol is the focal point of all rituals and prayers, embodying the essence of love, compassion, and divine playfulness. The Attingal Sri Krishna Swami Temple is not merely a place of worship, it is a cultural and historical landmark. It plays a pivotal role in the community, hosting numerous festivals and events that bring people together in celebration and devotion. As we depart from this sacred abode, a sense of calm and peace envelops us. The devotion and spirituality experienced here leave an indelible mark on our hearts, reminding us of the profound connection between faith and inner peace. Now let's see how Attingal works its economy. Here in the green fields and busy markets, we see a mix of old and new. Farming is still really important in Attingal. The land around the town grows lots of food, feeding the people and giving them jobs. The markets are full of colours and smells. From fresh fruits and vegetables to spices, handmade clothes and beautiful crafts, the markets show us Attingal's heart. But Attingal isn't just about farming. New businesses are opening thanks to its good location and better roads. Attingal is growing, showing how its people can adapt and change. Now, let's look at Attingal's roads, the paths that connect it to the world. These roads are more than just asphalt and concrete. They are the lifelines that bring vitality and movement to this charming town. Attingal has always been an important place for transportation. Historically, it served as a crucial junction for trade routes, connecting various parts of the region. The old maps and vintage photographs tell a story of a town that has always been on the move, adapting and evolving with the times. The National Highway 66 runs right through Attingal. This major artery not only connects the town to other parts of the state, but also to the rest of the country. The constant flow of vehicles on this highway is a testament to its importance. This busy road helps people, goods and ideas move around, helping the economy and culture grow. Trucks laden with goods, cars filled with families, and buses carrying commuters all contribute to the dynamic life of Attingal. The highway is a river of activity, bringing prosperity and opportunities to the town. There are buses and other ways to travel around town, making it easy for everyone to get around. The local bus system is efficient and reliable, ensuring that residents can reach their destinations with ease. Whether it's a trip to the market, a visit to a friend, or a daily commute to work, public transportation plays a vital role in the daily lives of the people. If you want to go farther, the train station in Varkala is close by. This proximity to a major railway station opens up even more possibilities for travel, connecting Attingal to distant cities and regions. The trains are a gateway to new experiences, adventures and opportunities, making long-distance travel convenient and accessible. Attingal's location and good roads have helped it grow. The continuous development of road infrastructure has been a key factor in the town's expansion. New roads and highways are constantly being constructed, ensuring that Attingal remains well-connected and accessible. This growth in infrastructure has paved the way for economic development and urbanization. They've helped businesses, brought in tourists and connected people. The improved connectivity has attracted businesses to set up shop in Attingal, creating jobs and boosting the local economy. Tourists are drawn to the town's charm and accessibility, bringing in revenue and fostering cultural exchange. Community gatherings and events are more vibrant and well attended thanks to the ease of travel. Attingal shows us how good transportation can help a town become successful. The town's thriving businesses, happy residents and bustling streets are a testament to the power of connectivity. Good roads and efficient transportation systems are the backbone of a prosperous community, enabling growth, fostering connections, and enhancing the quality of life for everyone. Let's experience Attingal's exciting culture. The festivals and traditions show us the town's true spirit. Attingal's culture is a mix of history, religion, and art. The Attingal Festival is a huge celebration of colour, music, and rituals. Imagine decorated elephants walking through the streets with drums and people chanting. Attingal has many talented artists who make beautiful things like woven fabrics, pottery and metalwork. The people of Attingal are proud of their culture and pass it down through generations. Attingal shows us how traditions can stay strong even when the world changes. Our trip to Attingal ends with a look at the beautiful nature around it. Varkala is very close, a beautiful coastal town with cliffs, beaches and a relaxed feel. Imagine walking on the beach, feeling the cool breeze and looking at the Arabian Sea. Varkala's cliffs offer amazing views, especially at sunset. There are cafes and restaurants on the cliffs where you can eat delicious seafood. Varkala is also known for Ayurveda, a traditional way to stay healthy. There are many other beautiful places to see near Attingal. Attingal is a great place to stay if you want to see both history and nature. As our trip to Attingal ends, we're amazed by this special town. We've seen its history, experienced its culture, and enjoyed its natural beauty. From old temples and palaces to busy markets and peaceful beaches, Attingal is full of unforgettable experiences. We hope you'll visit Attingal and discover its magic for yourself.